things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, or the way that things have been.
Francis Allen C. Bernales, the College Dean of the School of Business and Accountancy. So first of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to all the program chairs, faculty members, officers, and students under the School of Business and Accountancy who made the academic year 24-25 successful for everyone.
Spoken from a young age, taking my slogan to the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shifting me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer.
This victory of us in rendering events and in conducting events in School of Business and Accountancy is a shared victory. A shared victory of all the academic organizations that we have, namely the JPIA, the JAIA, the JPNEX, and JMA.
You made me a believer, believer.
Pangatawanan na maging malakas kapag alam mo sa sarili mo na nangihina ka. Ang hirap pangatawanan kapag alam mong may mga bagay kang hindi kayang gawin, pero kailangan mong gawin.
You made me a believer, believer.
I would like to recognize the leadership of all our officers from the different organizations and of course our industry partners who have been our collaborators for us to provide education that works our dear students under the School of Business and Accountancy. So thank you everyone, One SBA, Tatak SBA.
On behalf of the School of Business and Accountancy Student Council, welcome to Sinagtala 2025, Beyond Limits, a night of shine and success.
Congratulations for the whole academic year that has ended. And of course, congratulations not just for all the winnings and all the championships, but congratulations for all the failures that we've overcome. Again, we love you, SBA, all for God's glory. Thank you.
Don't let go in your heart. One SBA! You're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly.
I am Jomar Vivillena, the proud advisor of the School of Business and Accountancy Student Council for academic year 2024-2025.
Try new things, make mistakes, be brave enough to start, and humble enough to grow. Don't be afraid to raise your hand, speak your mind, or take a seat at the table, because you belong there.
continue to lead with purpose, passion, and pride. Cheers, everyone!
Dare